Hey guys, we're back today and we are fixing the Baja steering wheel. I've got a little situation. When I replaced the steering rack bushings, the wheel is now not centered, as you can see. Got a little wonkiness to it, and I thought to myself, why not go to pull apart? You see, to fix this, I have to take off the steering wheel and then recenter it. And if I'm going to do that, I might as well get a new steering wheel. And if I'm going to get a new steering wheel, I might as well get a new steering wheel for the Supra. So come with me. Let's go to pull apart for the first time. I've actually never been. This is how I'm currently driving down the road. There are a lot of cars here. I didn't ask for any help. I just kind of walked right in and said, I'm just going to wander around. I'll find what I'm looking for. That was a terrible idea. Definitely know what car you want to look for and find where it is. Fuck. And look what we found. A little Toyota Camry with a 3-spoke steering wheel. It's a little rough, but I think we might be able to fix her. I think we're going to grab that. Look what we found here. We got ourselves a little Subi. It's not an Outback. This is an Impreza. I took the wheel. Not in good condition. So they've got these little carts here for you where you can grab your tools and everything. Very convenient. Well, that was a bust. Apparently they can't sell you the airbag. And what's a steering wheel good with without an airbag? And my airbag won't switch over. Let's just fix the existing airbag. This is how this goes. It's an hour and a half down the drain. Learn some. Now you don't have to waste your time going and getting an airbag that you can't get at pull apart. You're welcome. We're back home without any steering wheels or any cool parts, but we went to pick apart for the first time. Pull apart. What's that mean? So let's just go ahead and fix this steering wheel. First, I'm going to disconnect the battery. Battery disconnected. Don't want this thing exploding in your face. To remove the steering wheel, looks like it's just 2 T27 bolts on either side. And then the airbag comes loose. Boom. And then there's my nut. Got to loosen that nut, take the steering wheel off, rotate it slightly to center, and we should be good. Let's give it a shot. That was way too easy. I should have done that a long time ago. Been driving sideways for way too long. Thanks for watching.